If you are eager to sample the typical culinary offering of Indonesia, visiting Jakarta may be your best option. The Indonesian capital will celebrate its 483rd anniversary on next June 22nd. Let's go to Jakarta for more.
Regional Secretary of Jakarta, Muhayat, is inspecting the Archipelago Soto Festival, which was held in Taman Fatila, Jakarta on June 6th. At least 25 kinds of soto from various regions in Indonesia are showcased in this festival. This event is part of introducing various types of typical Indonesian cuisines. Besides soto, Jakarta City will also hold its Archipelago Lili Catfish Festival, Crust Egg Festival, etc.
Soto is the typical food of the Indonesian archipelago, so through this event we hope the public will come to know and understand various soto in Indonesia. This is also a socialization and cultural introduction to the public.
Soto is a typical Indonesian food made from broth and vegetables. The most often used meat in soto is beef and chicken, but in certain areas, soto also uses pork and mutton. Despite soto's similarity to soup, soto uses more varied seasoning than soup. One kind of soto worth tasting is soto sekengel from Banyumas in West Java. Made for the first time in 1980, soto sekengel, which was created by a Banyumas puppeteer, has opened several branches in major cities in Indonesia.
Sekengkel actually is the Dutch language. Sekengkel meaning meat that is attached at the foot of a cow. It's called sekengkel meat, so I gave it the name Soto Sekengkel Banyumas.
The Indonesians' great liking for soto sekengel makes good sense. Not only is it delicious, but also has many health benefits, such as lowering cholesterol, improving stamina, helping digestion, and preventing stomach disorders.
It helps digestion. When you consume the soto, you will easily become sweaty. This part of sekengkel can prevent stomach disorder. It's because when this part is boiled, it will be like glue, so it can stick to the stomach wall. As a result, it protects you if you are late to eat.
But the potential for these various cuisines has still not gotten serious attention from the Indonesian government, thus holding back international attention and acceptance. The total number of Indonesian restaurants around the world is less than 100. NTD, Jakarta, Indonesia.